I certainly respect the rule of law and I respect the outcome of the case, and it was a bad decision.
District Attorney Nathan Vasquez spoke out against Multnomah County Circuit Court Judge Catherine von der Stega's decision to only find Oscar Lee Burrell Jr. guilty of 3 out of the 11 charges he faced for driving recklessly, as seen in these videos.
The videos were, the vast majority of this case, and this was extremely dangerous behavior where someone was flaunting their criminal behavior. This case also really sends the wrong message to the public. This is someone that was driving through parks that had children in them.
The 33-year-old filmed videos of himself driving through multiple parks like Peninsula Park and also down I-5. Judge van der Stega saying in court the intent to do real damage wasn't there.
I think you're intending to trespass and you're intending to kind of do donuts. I don't necessarily think you're intending to damage the property at Peninsula Park.
In these videos, you can see him hanging out of the driver's side window while driving.
It's very unique, where you have an individual who is so brazen in their criminal conduct and filming it, and then really to not have that reflect accurately in the convictions is really disappointing.
Burrell faces no jail time.
I mean, obviously everything you're doing is illegal and incredibly unsafe, but after that encounter with the first semi, you appear very surprisingly to be somewhat in control of your vehicle.
A statement on behalf of the judge says in part that the district attorney recommended 18 months of bench probation and declined to recommend jail time for the counts for which Mr. Burrell was convicted. The sentence imposed in this matter was consistent with the recommendation presented by the district attorney's office during the sentencing hearing. However, the district attorney's office wrote in part that, based on the court's findings at trial and comments pre-sentencing, it was clear the court would not impose jail as part of Mr. Burrell's sentence, and continued to state that, as part of the sentencing recommendation, the state argued for no driving during the 18-month probationary period, to which the court declined. So Burrell will also be required to do community service, 18-month bench probation, and will have his license suspended for 90 days. He will also need to do other things, including getting a mental health evaluation and treatment if necessary. Christine?
Celine Stevens with that report. Thank you, Celine.